Practicing bankruptcy law, I noticed I was giving the same basic consult again and again, and that even when I covered the information, my clients really needed the important information repeated to be really comfortable with it. I thought to myself that there needs to be a DVD I could just give to clients with basic information. I couldn't find a DVD tailored for attorneys to give their clients, so I created one. I think it's a concise, high-quality production, but the best way is to see for yourself. Here are some excerpts to get a feel for how the Bankruptcy Base DVD could help you make your client relationship closer and reduce surprises.
Hi, I'm Melissa, and this is John, and welcome to Bankruptcy Base. In this program, we'll be working along with your attorney to familiarize you with the basic fundamentals of the bankruptcy process. Note, this program is not designed for individuals filing pro se.
Hi, it's John. First, we'll go over some definitions essential to the process. We'll start off with the term exemption, which is the property you are allowed to keep. Exemptions vary by state, but usually include a wild card exemption of several $1,000s, which is usable for anything, and specific exemptions, such as a homestead exemption for your primary residence. The amount of a homestead exemption could range from several $1,000s up to, as in some states like Florida, an unlimited amount. There are also special exemptions for tools of the trade, clothing, some retirement savings, and family Bibles that may be applicable. Another important term is asset, which is something you legally own, such as your clothes. It also includes expectancies, such as your expected tax refund. It also includes the potential you may have to recover money from a future lawsuit. Any potential lawsuits you may have are subject to special provisions that may cause you to lose the right to the suit if you don't list it in the bankruptcy. So be sure to tell your attorney of any lawsuit you may potentially have, even if you don't believe it would be successful.
It's Melissa. Now for the potential benefits of bankruptcy. The first benefit of bankruptcy is receiving an order of the court called a discharge, relieving you of the obligation to pay all or some of your debts. The next big benefit of bankruptcy is stopping harassment and collections actions. Creditors may be forbidden from pursuing collection actions against you, including phone calls and other actions related to collection of a debt, by a court order which is issued automatically upon filing. Another benefit is that you will retain property in accordance with the exemptions applicable to you.
Paperwork and bringing ID to court are covered several times.
Now, paperwork. All forms of bankruptcy will require that you provide your attorney with extensive and complete paperwork. At a very minimum, this will include 6 whole months of pay stubs for the period preceding bankruptcy and your previous year's tax return. If you are claiming certain expenses to pass the means test, then you will need to document them. A whole calendar month is from the beginning and end of a full calendar month. So, May 15th to July 15th is 1 month, but May 1st to June 30th is 2 months. The trustee in your case can require additional documentation if they think it would be helpful. This frequently includes your last 6 months of bank statements and up to 4 years of tax returns. You should also have proof of automobile insurance handy, as this might be required either by the car's secured financer or your trustee in a Chapter 13. You will also need a photo-issued government ID and a Social Security card for the meeting of creditors.
Giving audiovisual basic information about complex processes is becoming a standard. Large corporations commission similar productions to explain benefits packages, and even food processors come with a DVD. If you determine that the production helps your practice, you can have custom covers produced specific to your law firm that clients may pass around to other potential clients. Order copies at www.bankruptcybase.com with handy PayPal checkout and low unit pricing, so you can just give your clients a copy.